Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with some awesome nail products from VARNAIL to create a really fun gel ombre and mani. And we're going to be using some gel polishes and this really fun magical ombre powder. Now these 16 colors here are actually powders and you can use them many different ways. We're going to use them for ombre today. These colors are perfect for summer and that fall season, and I cannot wait to show you how to use these powders. And before we get into those beautiful powders, we're going to dive into some gel polishes here. Now, can we have a moment here for the packaging? These bottles are gorgeous. They have like this really pretty pink ombre. They have gold writing. They have a gold cap. The bottles feel really heavy and luxurious. The name of the color is on the bottom of each bottle. I just really like these bottles. I think they're gorgeous. So that first color here, you can see here, it's like a milky taupe color, but we're going to be using Lotus Rose today. And this color right here, it's everything. It's like a milky pink. It is gorgeous. It is everything. And you're going to see this here in action. And then we're going to use one of the ombre colors to create a really pretty ombre effect. So I already went ahead and applied gel base all over the nails, and I cured that for 30 seconds. And now I'm going ahead and applying that gel polish all over the nail here. And you can already see it's like this gorgeous nudie pink color with that first coat. It is gorgeous. It is everything. And I'm really loving like the milky colors right now. There's just something about them. I just feel like they're very elegant. They're beautiful. And there are so many neutral colors to complement all different skin tones. I just feel like these are really good colors to have in your collection. Now these polishes are gliding onto that nail very nicely in just very smooth application. And I really like the formula. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's like the perfect viscosity. And these polishes do not have a scent at all or anything like that. So I am curing as we go for this mani today. And this is what it looks like with one coat here. Now it looks great on its own with one coat, but I really wanted to build it up. So the best part about these like milky jelly polishes is that you can build them up to the color that you want. I'm going to do two, because I really liked how it was like still like a sheer finish, but not too sheer. But how gorgeous is this color, right? It's everything. And then you can see the difference here, two versus one coat. And we're just gonna build up this pigment right here, and I love this color. So the collection that I showed you, I couldn't find it online anymore. It might be sold out, but these colors that we're using right now are individual colors that you can still get on the website. They have a gorgeous, gorgeous, like milky pink collection that is stunning, that I feel like is even better than the ones we're using right now. I mean, I love them both, but just you need to check out VARNAIL because they have so many amazing products. Okay, so here's the two coats. We're going to dive into this really fun palette here. Now we're going to use that pink one right here. And then what I'm doing here is I am picking up some of that powder there on this little eyeshadow applicator brush. Now I will say a little bit goes a long way. I learned that the hard way. So you can see here that I picked up tons of beautiful pigment, and I was like, okay, we're just gonna go ham on this nail, and we're just gonna do the full nail of this color, and then we're gonna do some like gradient ombre. But this color right here looks so pretty over the entire nail. You can see it has like almost like a pearl finish to it, so it kind of gave it like an Aurora effect to this nail. But I really liked how this nail looked with an all over color. I feel like once you see the finished mani, it kind of tied in the mani and brought all the colors together. But these powders are super easy to apply to the nail, and check out that coverage. It's beautiful and has like this like slight pearl shimmer to it. I really love it. So now that I know a little bit goes a long way, I did not go back into that powder. I am using the same amount of product that we picked up that first time, and I am just going in on that nail, and I really wanted to focus on the tip first, and then I wanted to focus that powder towards the cuticle area just to kind of give it more of like a radiant ombre. Now options are going to be endless when you're playing with these powders. They are super easy to work with and very pigmented, as you can see here, because we're still going strong by applying that first application of powder on that nail. And again, I did not dip into that powder again, and we're still using the same amount that we picked up on that first nail. And I wanted to focus here on that tip of that nail there and then gradually bring it up so it's kind of more of a lighter ombre. And then for the thumb, I kind of wanted to do like a really fun like French tip with this ombre powder. But this powder was really easy to use. You also could do a matte top coat first and then go ahead and apply this powder on it too, but I did not have any issues going over the gel polish that was cured. The gel polish wasn't sticky or anything like that, so it did apply really nicely, and I had a really nice surface to apply these powders on. But these powders were really fun to ombre with, and I cannot wait to try more looks with these powders because I feel like you can do a lot of different things. So to finish up this mani, I did not do a matte top coat. I went in with a glossy top coat, but I do feel like this mani would be fantastic with a matte top coat. But I really like how this turned out. I think it's super pretty. It's a neutral mani, but we added that bright pop of pink, and it just overall tied in these colors beautifully. I really like how that one nail is completely covered with that gorgeous ombre powder, and then we have like different kind of ombre effects throughout this whole mani. But I kept it simple for this mani, but I love how it turned out. If you tried any of these ombre powders, let me know how you did the mani. I seen a mani that had like an ombre powder like in the middle, and it kind of like faded out into the mani. It was very pretty, but again, options are endless, especially when you're doing your nails at home. But I really like how this turned out, and I had so much fun playing with those powders. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in that description box below, and I will see you all in the next upload.